Hold on, no. These folks on here crazy, man. They gonna be calling you, bro.
Y'all just throw that hoe down here?
Nah, that hoe still out here.
Dale, y'all going, bro? Y'all going?
They woke you up, son. They woke you up.
Get into it.
Where you live?
Where the new
I live out of space.
I don't live out of space. There's too much out there.
That's what I'm
Out of space?
I heard all y'all got new cars on the
Live
block.
out of space?
How come I can't?
Because you wouldn't have been living with them aliens out there.
Nigga, I'm an alien, nigga.
Nigga, how you an alien? Would be like this.
My ears would be like, what?
Your early one been like this.
If I was an alien?
Yeah.
So that mean y'all aliens. Y'all ears like that.
I'm not no alien. My ears not like this.
Yes, y'all is.
Stop it, my ears not like this.
Nah, you stop it.
Hello. He with ED.
Nah, true. Man, y'all ain't trying to fight these balloons up, man. Go on the other side so they won't say nothing.
I just called him over.
I'm gonna have y'all. Y'all gonna be up here with me.
They said you been down here lunching, bro.
Lil' Fire. What's wrong, Lil' Fire?
Shit, bro. What's going on, bro?
They just don't know you, Lil' Fire, don't you? That's what it is.
Just say if I go on that phone, I'm talking to you and I say something, well, I do speak up with my bitch ain't talking about shit. What you been doing?
I'm like, oh, bro, I just put my bitch, but I ain't
Hold on, Darren, now come here. They got some bring your picture.
I'm putting it in. I'm like, hold on, bro, I just put my bitch. Then keep going.
So me and him, we cousins, fool, so.
Nah, that's why he walked out.
No, this shit, but other people got in the food. JJ came up.
Yeah, what it is. Oh, the motherfucker. What y'all doing?
Ain't nobody else got nothing to do with it, fool. It's my little brother, fool. Why is everybody else getting in the business? It's my little brother, fool. They don't understand.
J Savage. Goof ass nigga, I got fans that'll whack you. Stupid ass.
That's the fuck up. I fucked up on that. I understand it. I feel bad. It was my fault. I'm a bigger bro.
Holiday season! Rich niggas is back! East Atlanta royalty right here. I know y'all love it when we get together. Let's get him, Gooch!
I'm walking with my scrub, I give a fuck a nigga surge. Don't keep it in the car, I got that pistol on purse. You bitch rocker free, it's the fucking wrong person. Run up on Gucci, man, you be another dead person. I dump him in the river, now the whole city search. That AK hit his ass and now that nigga need
Zone 6 stand down.
in this club, then I'm gonna shut it down early. Scene was so sick that the police start early.
It's holiday season, bitch.
Undisputed dynamic duo in the building. Stand up for the shit, man.
Lil' Pat, what you was in the penitentiary with Darrell?
Huh?
When Darrell in the penitentiary when you was in there?
Still on the rail, the rail get down next year.
I know.
He in the next
Where he was on?
He down now. He on the 80-85.
He showed me about you.
Gone down now.
Nah, I know he off.
He got A4,
I know, bro.
He got A4, he's still the same.
Yeah.
He got skinnier, like.
Yeah, I know. That's what that shit do to a nigga though.
I ain't gonna lie for him.
That shit either gone.
Hell, Nando, but he crazy though.
Nah, I know. He institutionalized.
He
Show.
still do the same thing, cuz. I ain't stand away, cuz. Oh God.
He showed he had DM me. He was like, man, you in Memphis? You seen Lil' Pat? I've been waiting to see your ass to tell you though.
I ain't going.
Yeah, the most boring and shit up.
Let me tell you about this shit saying these days.
Hello? What's up with him?
What you got going?
Man, I know exactly who this is, nigga. I just got in there.
I see. I just wanted to see if you got
Yeah, I rolled down your grandma's street.
Oh, I can't say what I want to say. Man,
I just seen that nigga.
Her girlfriend played.
Shit, no, I'm solo.
She was trying so bad to be
Yeah. Just talking about your ass car. Nigga on the phone now, little pie.
Darrell.
You on the phone now? Darrell? Hold on.
What's up, bro? What's going on?
Look at them guys.
I don't know, shit on the block.
You got a good week.
Look, girl.
What's the word?
What's going on?
Boy, the head.
Hey, Ralph, what's up? Squidward, what do, my nigga?
Duper smoke the man.
Yeah, he right here. What's up, cuz?
What they doing over there? What you doing?
Pookadoo! I ain't seen you in forever, young nigga.
Yeah, Pookadoo. Stupid dude.
That boy grown.
Yeah, grown man. I ain't got that so long. You see how dirty it is?
I ain't seen. We had to buy that and turn to MLK.
What's on the days of the 200?
Yeah, you ain't say.
Okay, so goddamn clean, man. Look at the east side ain't big. Man, how hard it is.
Who they go? Hey, cuz, be safe.
What's up? Was you alright? What you gonna do, Glock?
I'm chilling, fool. You know what ain't nothing to do out here. So I'm chilling. You know what ain't nothing to do out here.
Shit.
I've been doing this 5 years.
Hey, dang. What bro you at there?
Shit, Atlanta.
Still out and about.
Huh?
Still out and about.
I gave you the key.
You know every time you down, I gotta pull down, man.
You want to see me ride through Castaigne?
Every time.
How long you been there? 2 or 3 hours.
You just got here?
That's all the hard. You got dropped out, dude.
That's a bad motherfucker. I don't know.
Right here.
That motherfucker, that bad motherfucker.
How long, real? With who?
I mean, what's mom?
You already know what you're doing. Same on the same. Yeah. I seen your dad over here about a week or 2 ago.
Hey, cuz.
Work.
I'm just to go. Fine. Fuck that. I got the camera. Cutthroat JC. Cutthroat _ JC. Go add me on God. Up on God. You hear me? You hear me? Juice my page up. You hear me? Walk big cousin. You hear me? Go juice my page up right now. Cutthroat JC. You hear me? No cap. On God he is. No cap, little John. He the GOAT.
I got you, girl.
He got the back seat.
Man, your baby said he ain't want to get back in the camera, so you fucked. Fuck you talking about? Bitch, go add me. That's what you can go do. Fuck you talking about?
Biggest gangster of the city, Common Sky.
What fuck? Here, get to another rapper.
Huh? Plug him in line so he finish in the bigger load. Throw him in some slam like his ass on nigga load. 100 round drum, I ain't never had to reload.
You throwing that?
Headhunter, they trying to give me the Rico. They're like, brrr.
What is that, alcohol?
Them folks see me easily getting saying brrr. I'm not Pooh Shiesty, cuz. I am double R.
Whole lot of 18 shit.
These folks fucked up.
Where you been at?
Them folks, icy boy.
You
What
ready
they
to
did got you like that? What they did?
You really ready to
So
steal
what?
something?
Y'all ain't coming like that.
Come on, stop it. This shit trip, bro. Shit had you looking like me, dude.
Man, young nigga, come on, man. I'm shell shot like a motherfucker. You wanna get the scream and chase the cats and shit.
Man, you need to go flip a horse, dude.
No, I'm Big Sky. I'm not Pooh Shiesty. Go look me up.
I'm on security. What's wrong with you?
I'm gonna go to
That type shit get niggas shot. I'm so
I'm supposed to say old boy coughing out that game like he got corona.
Oh, God. I'm supposed to stay at the beat and let's go. Neil Armstrong. This the shit that had Martin Luther King into it. On everything.
Okay, y'all charge the best thing?
You talking about you want Glock back. Bitch, you ain't even got him.
This one in here.
Bitch, you ain't got no battery.
Hold on.
Man, Glock so fucking ice on my
They got pops.
Who it is? Y'all know who that is?
That dad. Listen.
And he got the whole tenant?
Yeah, he come through so clean. Oh, you ain't seen it before? You want to go put around in?
Yeah, you gotta go put around in the joint. I ain't seen everything but the joint.
I'm gonna go put around in the joint.
He ripped the hot done and died. I was like, I'm about mad at hell, Scott. You just don't know. I'm ready to sue. I hit my head and everything.
Is your phone, Jesse? Is your phone?
Huh?
Let's go.
Hey, my brother right there, look at him. Motherfucking brother.
What y'all talking about?
What you say?
Oh, yeah.
My motherfucking brother. Hey, what I finna say?
Real killer, no cap. Huh?
Hey, fool. What I finna say?
Glock, sit here and get back on the phone till y'all add me, bro. You hear me? So y'all need to go add me while y'all asking where he at. Once y'all add me, I'm gonna hear me. I don't want to know. I'm trying to get something for my brother. What do? God, straight.
Let me see it. Let me see this one. Oh, good. Talking about shit, I can tell you.
On the ground.
Nah, I ain't doing all that. I ain't gonna lie to
Who
you.
came? Your bitch playing off your phone or here?
Damn, Durrell, how you do this shit?
niggas. 100 some days in. I'm cool in the city. Hey, Glock.
What you doing, man?
Hey,
Lil Pop.
what's up with my homeboy, bro? Check it out.
Yeah, man. What's going on?
I got CJ in the car with you. Hey, try what's up, nigga?
Hey, bro.
Yeah, them folks on the block. What's going on, man?
I'm quarantining.
Man.
All this jack food.
Yeah, man.
I'm quarantining.
Hey, Drill.
Hey, what's up? Huh? Hey, I got like 100 days extra. Hey, Glock, look at this shit.
Let me see.
Staying away from this shit.
Yeah, niggas don't even know nothing about this shit.
Niggas don't know nothing about swinging them lockers. Niggas don't know nothing about this shit.
I'm telling you.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, hot.
You know what I'm
It's
saying?
up though. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, for sure.
Got you, my boy.
I fuck around and I can get the police down and pop this door.
Huh?
I said I can do what I want to do now.
Man, we been like that shit.
Hey, I fuck
like
around,
that,
cut my
boy.
mustache out, bro. Bullshit.
Now you a motherfucker.
I cut my shit off. Hey, they won't let us get no haircut.
You said they won't let you get no haircut?
Now they won't let us get no haircut. You know, we quarantining.
I don't even understand how the fuck that shit can get in the jail.
Man, that shit all in the jail, bro.
You know the guards don't be wanting to touch.
Huh?
I'm talking about that corona
Hey.
shit in the jail.
Yeah, this shit in the jail for sure. I got 1,000 masks, man. I got 1,000 masks. I can't get sick. I gotta make it back out there. I got 1,000 of them hoes.
Send hoes and everything.
he said he's selling. I got 1,000. Hey, I keep my mans whenever. Hey, Glock. Hey, check this out right here. Check this out. Check me out here. Hey, Glock.
Yeah.
Hey, I might get this nigga to walk me. Out the jail. Here. Hey, check this out. I'm gonna show you how juiced up. We've been like this since we were young niggas.
You know that had a price, it would have been paid.
Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, we been like this. Hey, we been like this since we were young niggas. Just check me out though.
Oh God.
I just check my work. Hey, watch this. I ain't Taylor. Come here. Hey, watch this. Watch this, nigga. You gonna say that boy to go for real? He need to just leave his name to go here.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I'm telling you, I don't even know how.